Hello everybody, Princess the Bear here. Today we're at Animal Kingdom.
Yes.
We're gonna go hang out, maybe get some treats, do some fun stuff. We're gonna bring you along with us today. Maybe a little vlog style Princess the Bear action.
Yeah, we'll see.
We'll see. We'll see what this turns into. You're gonna come on with us and we'll figure it out together. So, we will see you soon.
Share and subscribe.
You heard the girl.
She likes Halloween.
At least a Halloween party.
So as is every time, take one guess where we're going first.
Surprise.
Thank you, honey. So we go to Animal Kingdom, Lion King. It's got it. But, you know, popcorn. I don't know what it is about Disney popcorn. I just love it. So much buttery goodness.
Hanging out of the back of his neck.
I know. But he's so cute. I know, like, why?
If he was a real cat, he would be attacking you right now because cats don't like that.
His back was made for eating.
Yes.
So I got the Golden Victory, and it is so good. It's smooth, little bitey, dark, which I love. Five claws, definitely. Cheers!
Mine? Mine, 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 mine.